You can make captions look flashy all day, but if people can't read them on a dim phone, if they don't land on the beat of your voice, and if you can't keep that look consistent across a dozen clips, you're leaving views and saves on the table. I spent the last month living inside the top caption tools people actually use, and here's the honest take. Each one is great in a narrow lane. None of them solve the whole job. Generation is half. Publishing with readable on-brand captions on a schedule is the other half. That's where Vizard quietly carries the bag. Let's go tool by tool first so you can pick what fits your editing style. Then I'll show you the system I use to turn one long video into 8 to 12 shorts with captions that hit, all shipping automatically. Premiere Pro's built-in transcription and captions. If you're already cutting in Premiere, the native text panel is shockingly capable now. You can auto-transcribe on import or only transcribe clips in the sequence. I prefer the latter so you don't waste cycles. The killer perk. Once you've downloaded the language packs in Creative Cloud, you can transcribe offline, on planes, in hotel Wi-Fi. That alone keeps a lot of editors inside Premiere. Turning transcripts into captions is one click, hit the CC button, then dial the caption preferences to match your pace. If you want that rapid 1 or 2 words per card kinetic style, set minimum characters and minimum duration super low and force single line segments. From there, Essential Graphics lets you tweak the look, font, size, position. Save that as a track style so it ripples across all captions, not just the one you clicked. Where Premiere falls down is animation and modern social styles. There's no built-in pop, no box follow karaoke, no per word highlights by default. You can fake it, convert captions to graphics, center the anchor per word, build a pop preset with keyframes, but it's manual. You'll either spend a night keyframing or you'll reach for automation. Automation inside Premiere, presets plus scripting panels. If you're willing to set up one little system, you can get 80% of the way to animated captions without going insane. The play is simple. Convert captions to graphics so they behave like clips, copy a centered anchor point for scale pops, and use an automation panel to batch apply scale and opacity fade effects. Pros. Fast once set up, lives inside Premiere. Repeatable. Cons, paid add-ons, still timeline heavy, no live-style previews, and you're on your own for brand consistency across projects. Veed is web-based with lots of languages and live-style presets. For creators who don't want to live in a heavy NLE, Veed nails the basics and adds some clever things Premiere lacks. It flags low-confidence words in orange, has speaker detection, and offers one-click translation to a huge list of languages. Styling is where Veed is most fun. Animated presets like Pong and Box, highlight karaoke, font and color tuning, background and shadow adjustments, and drag to avoid platform UI zones. Cons, preset saving for true brand templates is limited, browser performance can stutter on heavy timelines, and it stops at make a nice caption video. It doesn't ship a week of posts for you. CapCut's free cross-platform captions have social native looks and a massive template library. You can hover to preview styles and it handles layout pain points like rounded backgrounds and auto-alignment for multi-line captions. Limitations. Deep customization is clunky, brand kits don't travel perfectly, and you manually export and upload to every platform. The script edits video like a doc with clean karaoke reads. You fix transcripts, it updates the timeline, and captions pop with semi-transparent future words. You can stretch caption boxes to control line length visually, which Premiere doesn't do as nicely. Cons, limited style catalog, no serious animations, and free plan caps at 720p resolution. Firecut is a Premiere plugin with trendy presets and extra AI, 50+ languages, popular creator-inspired looks, smart UI dodge, silence removal, chaptering, and podcast helpers. It outputs PNG sequences for speed, so renders fly in Premiere. Downsides, subscription cost, tall timeline layers, and limited live previews. Zooming out, all these tools get words on screen fast, make them more readable than platform auto captions, and add some style so clips don't feel raw. But none find moments that actually stop your audience. Sync captions syllable by syllable to your voice. Enforce a reusable brand, look across clips, or schedule posts across platforms without you. That gap is where Vizard wins and why it sits in the center of my publishing stack. Here's how I run captions and publishing with Vizard. Imports a long source, auto-servicing viral clips with sharp claims, flips, how-tos, and cliffhangers. It trims filler, frames vertical without chopping mouths or colliding with UI, and lays out 8 to 12 clips ready to post. Syllable-synced captions make the text breathe with your delivery, not lagging behind. I set my style once, bold font, high contrast highlight, safe zones, human line breaks, keyword highlights, and save as a template. Brand templates add progress bars, logos, and outrows in minutes, saving consistent looks for every batch. The content calendar lets you drag clips into a weekly rhythm. Auto-scheduling posts across TikTok, IG Reels, Shorts, and LinkedIn. Reshuffling as new clips come in. Collaboration features let you share timestamp notes, transcript edits, and maintain version history to avoid final V6 move chaos. If you love your caption tool, keep it. Premiere, Veed, CapCut, Descript, Firecut all make words look good. But don't confuse that we captioned it with we built a system that ships. Use the generator you like for look. Use Vizard to turn that look into consistent output, on schedule, with captions people can actually read and remember. Here's a weekend plan you can steal. Saturday morning, cut a 30-45 second master with a strong hook that reads on mute. Caption it with your favorite tool, keeping lines short and clear. Saturday afternoon, export a clean master. Sunday morning, drop it into Vizard, hit auto-editing viral clips, pick clips, set your caption and brand templates. Sunday afternoon, drag clips into the content calendar, map Monday to Friday, flip auto schedule, and you're done. Next week, watch just 3 numbers. First, 3-second completion, saves per 1,000 views, and click through to your long video or page. If a clip dies in 2 seconds, rewrite that hook and recut. If it gets saved a lot, copy its caption emphasis pattern into your next batch. That's how you compound. Quick buying guide, 0 budget, and want social styles fast? Use CapCut, then Vizard for batching and scheduling. Need multi-language and easy web workflow? Veed for translate and edit, then Vizard to batch and publish. Live in Premiere and want native control? Use Premiere Captions with track styles. Add automation blocks or Firecut for motion, then Vizard for hooks and shipping. Write first editors like podcasters or course creators. Use Descript for rough cuts and karaoke, then Vizard to slice highlights and post on Rails. Final thought, caption tools make your words visible. Vizard makes your words inevitable. Pick the editor that fits your hands. Then put Vizard in the middle so your clips actually get finished. Look consistent and show up on time. Every week without you babysitting uploads. That's the difference between we posted a video and we're growing.